Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Happy Mask Monday! Today I'm going to be using this Mercier Flawless Skinned? Oh yes, I'm going to skin myself. This is a purifying clay mask, and hopefully it'll purify something because I'm puffy and my eyes are watery and itchy because, you know, allergies, and I kind of sound like Leroy, so I got that going on. So I'm going to throw this on, and then I will come back and do an unboxing bag box thingy. Okay, so here we are, and you know, I got one of these little things to keep my hair out of my face, and I can never get these things to stay on. They just don't work for me. This stuff is incredibly thick. I don't know, I got it at TJ Maxx. I don't know if it's supposed to be that thick or it's old, and I don't know if you can see. My fingers look discolored. I'm gonna be mad if I take the stuff off my face and my face is orange. Just saying. Okay, so we're going to unbag my Tribe Beauty box. This is my first box from them, and let me tell you a little bit about Tribe Beauty box. I have some notes, that's why I'm looking down. Tribe Beauty box is a 100% female and woman of color owned. It is a bi-monthly subscription, so that would be really good for those of you that don't want to commit to a month-to-month subscription. The bi-monthly subscription is $34.99 plus shipping, and shipping in the US is only $4.99. They do ship worldwide. I think shipping to Canada was like $10 or $12, and worldwide was like $13. It wasn't a lot. I was actually surprised. You can sign up for 3 boxes prepaid at $32 each, or you can do 6 boxes prepaid at $30 each. You still get them bi-monthly. They value at $120 plus retail. They feature indie and female-owned brands. So for those of you that don't know what an indie brand is, that is an independently owned brand that is not under a major brand umbrella. Like, say, L'Oreal owns lots of different brands that are under their umbrella. Their website says that they focus on quality over brand names. You get 5 products in each bag. You get 1 face, 1 skin prep, 1 eye, 1 lip, and a tool. They only feature cruelty-free products, and at least 4 of the products are from female-run beauty brands. They also do a lash scope subscription for those of you that are interested in an eyelash subscription. That is $11.99 a month. You get 5 styles. Those are cruelty-free, faux mink, and vegan. And on their website, they have a lot of other products, beauty products, tools. They have a little beauty fridge, that type of thing. I will put the link down below. I do have a discount code. The link is an affiliate link. You do not have to use my link. I am providing it for you because if you decide to subscribe, you get 10% off your first subscription. So let me show you what's in the bag. This is the April bag, so there is not a May box. So if you were to sign up today, I believe you would get the April bag, and I believe they were all the same. I'm not 100% positive about that. It comes with a card, and the value of my box, I added it up, was $139.50. The April theme is Cotton Candy Kisses, and it has all of the products, what the retail value is, and a little description about the products. So the first thing is this Lurella Cosmetics Sweetheart Palette, and it retails for $20. And the inside says, "Hello, lover." And it has a shadow saver. And here's what the shades look like. Very, very pretty palette. Very pretty. Lots of pinks. And I keep saying, look at how cracked I am. Ooh, it's getting tight. I keep saying I'm not a pink girl, but every time I turn around, I end up with pink in my hand. The next product is this Spongelle Bulgarian Rose. I know y'all have seen these many times in subscription boxes. It's a Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. These are really nice. They smell fantastic, and they have a little bit of a texture to them, so they help exfoliate your skin while you're cleansing. And this retails for $16. Next is this Laura Geller Supersized Baked Gelato Illuminator in either Diamond Dust or Gilded Honey, and I got Gilded Honey. And when I saw this is what made me sign up. Well, that and the name, Try Beauty Box. I just love Try Beauty Box. And I also love that it's a woman-owned company and a woman of color. Look at how pretty that is. I just love it. I love the texture. Love when they have the texture or the embossing in their products. And I like Laura Geller. She really focuses on more mature women. The next thing in the box is the Steve Laurent Tweezer Duo, which I don't really need another set of tweezers, but these seem to be really nice. It has a regular tweezer and then one with the little fine point to it. And that retails for $24. It says it's a limited edition tweezer duo. The next item is the Sulva Beauty Elysium liquid lipstick, and it retails for $18. It's a glossy lamination liquid lipstick. It's supposed to deliver a punch of opaque color and comfortable flexibility. Cute packaging. And there's what the color looks like. Very pretty. And I think when I take my mask off, I will probably, I'm going somewhere this afternoon, so I will use these products. I'm not going to do it on camera, but I will use them and then come back and let y'all know how it all turned out. And then, this is quite exciting. This is a Masquerade Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask, because I need another clay mask. Look at how cracked I am. That is super tight. This retails for $6.50, and it's the perfect way to cleanse and detox your pores. Want an intense clean feeling? Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Works to rid the skin surface of unwanted buildups and impurities, and it assists with the prevention of acne. And it comes in these little packs, and it doesn't feel super thick. Like, I had a heck of a time getting this to even come out of the tube. And I love matcha. Matcha is really good for the skin. I actually have a My Matcha stick, moisturizing stick, that I use at night when I go to bed. So I'm looking forward to this. This might be next Mask Monday. So those are all the items in the Try Beauty box. I'm not quite dry, although it says to leave on 5 to 10 minutes, and right now I have been recording for about 11 minutes. So I will go take this off, put put some makeup on my face and I will be right back at you. So before I put my makeup on, I thought I would show you that it did not stain my skin. Thank goodness. My skin feels nice and soft. I was worried because it was getting so tight and felt so dry that it was going to dry my skin out, but my skin feels very, very soft. It came off really easy too. Another problem that I find sometimes with those type of masks, because I do have such large pores, that they will get down in my pores and I have a hard time getting it out. But this washed away very, very easy. So I think I actually like it, except for that it's very hard to get out of the tube. And it was actually a little hard to rub onto my face too. I really had to warm it up in my hands to get it to spread easy. So here we are, friends, with the Sweetheart palette and the Sulva matte lipstick on. I was really worried about the palette because I'm 56 and I thought these colors are way too bright and way too pink for me. And I was like, where's my transition shade? But I used this really soft pastel lavender as my transition shade because I love purple. I had no idea that this would look good on me, but I think it looks really good. What do y'all think? The shades blended out really well, and I thought these shades with the glitters in it that I have on, that I would end up with that all over my face, but I do not have it all over my face. I really like it. I'm really surprised. So I like the Sweetheart palette. I will be keeping that. I thought for sure I would be passing that along to somebody younger than me. This is why I like these subscription boxes, because it will really push me out of my comfort zone and I can try products that I've never tried before and prove to myself that I can do things that I thought that I couldn't do. I'm not sure about this lip color. I sheared it out quite a bit so that it almost now looks like a lip tint or a stain. It is not really drying down. As you can see, it comes off, but it's very comfortable. I cannot feel it. It is not sticky at all. So I would say that this is a win as well. I'm just not sure about the color. I'm sure the color looks fine on me, but it's not something that I would wear every day. So there we have it. Mask Monday number 6, I believe, is in the bag. This is my Tribe Beauty Box. Make sure that y'all go check out Tribe Beauty Box. I'm loving this palette. Oh, and the highlighter. The Lurella highlighter. I really like that too. It just gives a very nice subtle glow to my skin. I like it. Very good for mature skin. I love how shiny my nose is. I don't know why I love a shiny nose. I love my shiny nose. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to watch me put clay stuff all over my face and chase a spider and try to put ears on that wouldn't work and all of those fun things. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give me a thumbs down. That way I know how I'm doing. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Those of you who watch me all the time should have that memorized by now. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put my mask on, but there is a horror story going on behind me. Let me see if I can zoom y'all out. Oh, you can't see it. Do y'all see that little dot crawling across the wall? Well, on the camera it looks like a little dot. But that's a big old spider, and I'm terrified of spiders. And I'm absolutely terrified of a jumping spider, and that's what that is. Look at him. Look at him. It's trying to attack. It's going to kill me. Look at it crawling across the wall. Ah! Lordy Lou. Oh! I'm going to have to get that. And I can't kill it because I can't kill stuff. Oh. What am I going to do? Christopher? You know how your mama feels about spiders. Oh! There she is. Oh. So I am the spider wrangler. I have caught her using my BoxyCharm card in my makeup brush holder. I have wrangled her, and now I will put her safely outside where she belongs. This area is in my bedroom. This means that she was probably crawling all over me all night. Look at the monster that tried to kill me. Ah. Okay, I'll just be putting her outside. She is safely outside, and look, the mail came. I got an allure box. Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Leanna here. Happy Mask Monday. Today I'm going to be using this Mercier Flawless Skin Purifying Clay Mask. And all of you girls that do Mask Monday have all of these little cute ear things to, you know, keep your hair out of the mask. And I've been hunting for one, and I found this thing. It doesn't stay on my head very well. It slides off. I mean, it's cute, but it slides off. It just slides and ends up back there like that. That's not working out so well for me. And then yesterday I was at Walmart. Oh gosh. And I found this this cute little plush pals. It's a kid's hair drying towel, but look how cute it is. And it was only 50 cents. It was on sale. And I thought, look, it has ears, because y'all all have ears, and I wanna have ears too. And it even fits. Look how cute I am with my ears. But I don't think it'll work too good to keep the hair out of my face. Oh gosh. Christopher, did you see that big old nasty spider running around? Aren't you proud of your mama for capturing it? It wanted to wear my Sweetheart palette. Put some of these glitters all over it and change its name to Cinnamon. That's what we're going to do to you too. Put glitter all over you and change your name to Cinnamon. Christopher, here's your life lesson. When something comes along in your life that you think you can't do, just try it. You might surprise yourself. Mama loves you, boo.